Good afternoon, dear students. First of all, Happy New Year to all. Today, we are going to start our chapter number 3, Partition Value. Chapter number 3, Partition Value. Please see विभाजन मूल्य in Marathi. विभाजन मूल्य. Okay. Now, in last previous lecture, we have already covered our topic number 2, means topic number first is basic concept of economics and topic number 2 money. Now in this lecture we are going to start our most important topic, partition value. It means in Marathi विभाजन मूल्य. Okay students, in 8th standard we have already studied in 8th standard we have already studied the measure of center tendency. Measure of center tendency. Measure of center tendency also known as the average. Average means सरासरी. Okay. Measure of center tendency means केंद्रीय प्रवृत्तीची परिमाणे. Okay. Measure of center tendency refer to the most representative value of the series. It is the most representative value of the series and it is located in the central part of the series. It is located in the central part of the series. So, averages such as the mean, mode, medium, it is already we have studied in 8th standard. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजपासून आपण पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू विभाजन मूल्य या टॉपिकला सुरुवात करत आहोत. ऑलरेडी पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूच्या संदर्भात म्हणजे मेजर ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडन्सी हा टॉपिक जो आहे, केंद्रीय प्रवृत्तीची परिमाणे हा टॉपिक जो आहे तो ऑलरेडी तुम्ही तुमच्या 10th स्टँडर्डमध्ये अभ्यास केला. त्या अंतर्गत तुम्ही मीडियम म्हणजे काय आहे, मीन मीन्स काय आहे किंवा मोड मीन्स काय आहे हे सगळं व्यवस्थित त्या ठिकाणी अभ्यासलेलं आहे. ओके. नाव इन 11th standard we are going to study the types of partition value. Okay. Average types of average like the mean, mode, medium. Mean, mode and median. It is the 3 types of average. Measure of central tendency also known as the average, and there are 3 types of average. First is the mean, second is mode, and third is the median. Median is the most important partition value. It is the types of partition value. Median is the value of middleist observation of the data. Median म्हणजे काय, मध्य काय. It is divided the whole set of observation. It divides the whole set of observation into two equal parts. Is known as the median, and it is the one of the most important partition value. It is the most important partition value. आपण या अगोदर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी केंद्रीय प्रवृत्तीची परिमाणे अभ्यासत असताना त्यामध्ये गणितीय मध्य म्हणजे काय, बहुलक म्हणजे काय किंवा इव्हन मध्यभाग म्हणजे काय हे सगळं अभ्यासलेलं आहे. मग याची तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी चांगल्यापैकी माहिती आहे. दे आर दी स्टॅटिस्टिकल टूल्स we are used explain the economical data so that we are going to study the partition value in economics. Okay. Partition value is used to studies of many economic data is used to explain the many economic data. म्हणजे अर्थशास्त्रामध्ये आपण पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. बिकॉज ऑफ अर्थशास्त्रामध्ये ज्या काही संख्यात्मक माहिती मांडली जाते त्याचं विश्लेषण करण्यासाठी या पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूचा यूज केला जातो. मीडियन, क्वार्टाइल, डेसाइल अँड पर्सेंटाइल. Median, quartile, decile and percentile. It is also one of the most important partition value because of they divide the data. They divide the given data, given set of observation into a required part of into a equal number of part, into a required equal number of parts. Okay. पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी आपण पाहिलेलं आहे की टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू, टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू, types of partition values. There are four types of partition value. First is the median. Second is the quartile. Third is the decile. And fourth is the percentiles. There are four types of partition value. Already we have studied what is mean by median. Already we have studied in a 10th standard. Median is the value of middleest observation of the data. And it divides the whole set of observation into a two equal part. Okay. It is already we have studied. It is the partition value. And now in this topic we are going to study the another three most important partition value: quartile, decile, and percentiles. They are the three most important partition value. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of partition value. What is mean by the partition value? The partition value means the procedure of dividing the data into equal parts are called partition value. The procedure of dividing the data into a required number of number of equal parts are called partition value. जेव्हा दिलेल्या सांख्यिकीय माहितीचे समान भागांमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी विभाजन केले जाते. दिलेल्या सांख्यिकीय माहितीचे समान भागामध्ये विभाजन करणे म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू म्हटलं जातं. त्याला इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज ए पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू. In the forthcoming chapter we are going to study the population, poverty, unemployment related to the data explained through the partition value. Means partition value used to study the explanation of population, poverty and unemployment. Population and the unemployment. Okay, means लक्षात घ्या की या अगोदर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही काही गणिती मध्य, बहुलक, मोडचा अभ्यास तर ऑलरेडी केलेला आहे. ओके, मध्यका म्हणजे काय हे पण तुम्ही अभ्यासलेला आहे. Calculation of median, calculation of arithmetic mean, calculation of mean. There are already we have studied in a 10th standard. And so the remaining part of this topic we will going to study in a 11th standard. म्हणजे आपण त्याचा रिमेन पार्ट जो आहे तो आपण आपल्या 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू. पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यू म्हणजे काय की जी व्हॅल्यू जे मूल्य दिलेल्या सारणीचे समान भागामध्ये विभाजन करतं. दिलेल्या सारणीचे काय करतं, सारणी मीन्स त्या ठिकाणी संख्यात्मक डाटा, न्यूमरिकल डेटा कॅन बी एक्सप्लेन इंटू ए इक्वल पार्ट ऑफ नंबर, इंटू ए इक्वल पार्ट इज नोन ॲज दी पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू. म्हणजे पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू थ्रू दिलेली जी सांख्यिकी माहिती आहे, दिलेले जो न्यूमरिकल डाटा आहे तो त्या ठिकाणी समान भागामध्ये विभाजित केला जातो. तो काय केला जातो, समान भागामध्ये विभाजित केला जातो. ओके, इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट स्टॅटिस्टिकल टूल्स टू एक्सप्लेन द न्यूमरिकल डाटा रिलेटेड टू द पॉप्युलेशन, पॉवर्टी अँड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. Related to the poverty, unemployment, related to the all economic factor, related to the all economic factor information are explained through the partition value, and so that we are going to study the partition value in a economics. In a economics मध्ये आपण त्याचा अभ्यास का करत आहोत, तर मोस्ट ऑफ द इकॉनॉमिक कन्सेप्ट जे आहेत कॅन बी एक्सप्लेन थ्रू द यूज ऑफ पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू, कॅन बी एक्सप्लेन थ्रू दी पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू. पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू थ्रू त्या ठिकाणी त्या इकॉनॉमिक कन्सेप्ट ज्या आहेत त्या एक्सप्लेन केल्या जातात, त्या मांडल्या जातात. त्यामुळे एक लक्षात घ्या की आपण त्यामुळे इकॉनॉमिक्स या विषयामध्ये पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यूचा अभ्यास करत आहोत. ओके, नाउ देन डिस्कस द नीड ऑफ पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू. देन डिस्कस द अनदर इम्पॉर्टंट point, need of partition value. Need of partition value. Need of partition value. Need of partition value म्हणजे partition value आपण का वापरतो किंवा त्याची का आपल्याला गरज आहे किंवा partition value वापरण्यामागचं कारण काय आहे. It is the need of partition value. Okay, the data consists of extreme value on the lower side and also the higher side in a magnitude. Listen carefully. The data consists of extreme value. The data consists of extreme value on the lower side, also the higher side in magnitude. Such value are known as the outliers. Such value are the known as the outlier. लक्षात घ्या, जेव्हा एखादी संख्यात्मक माहिती त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला दिलेली असते किंवा आपल्याला त्याचं विश्लेषण करायचं असतं आणि त्या संख्यात्मक माहितीमध्ये कमाल आणि किमान मूल्य, लोअर व्हॅल्यू आणि हायर व्हॅल्यू यामध्ये खूप मोठा गॅप असेल, लोअर किंवा खूप मोठा गॅप असेल तर अशा त्या गॅपला काय म्हटलं जातं, आउटलायर म्हटलं जातं. त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं, आउटलायर म्हटलं जातं. आणि अशी जेव्हा संख्यात्मक माहिती आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायची असते तेव्हा त्या ठिकाणी आपण ॲव्हरेज वापरू शकत नाही. तेव्हा त्या ठिकाणी आपण ॲव्हरेज मेथड जे आहे ते वापरू शकत नाही. वी कॅनॉट यूज ॲव्हरेज मेथड बिकॉज थ्रू the average method used for such data obtain the misinterpreted its representative value. Misinterpreted its representative value म्हणजे त्या थ्रू त्या ठिकाणी काय की जे येणारं उत्तर आहे ते चुकीचं येण्याची शक्यता असते. त्या थ्रू म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण ॲव्हरेज वापरतो तेव्हा त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला अशा संख्यात्मक माहितीचं येणारं जे उत्तर आहे ते चुकीचं येण्याची शक्यता असते. आणि सो दॅट जनरली दी पार्टेशन व्हॅल्यू लाईक दी मीडियन, क्वार्टाईल, डेसाईल अँड पर्सेंटाईल आर यूज टू ओव्हरकम दी मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन. टू ओव्हरकम दी मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन म्हणजे अशा स्वरूपाचे चुकीचे त्या ठिकाणी चुकीची उत्तरे येऊ नये किंवा अशा स्वरूपाचे जे चुकीचे उत्तर येणार आहे त्यावर सोल्युशन म्हणून म्हणजे ॲव्हरेज थ्रू जी चुकीची उत्तर येणार आहे त्यावर सोल्युशन म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी आपण मीडियम, क्वार्टाईल, डेसाईल आणि पर्सेंटाईल्स या पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूचा यूज जो आहे तो आपण करत असतो किंवा त्या थ्रू त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला अशा न्यूमरिकल डेटा एक्सप्लेन करणं सहज शक्य होतं. ओके, लिसन केअरफुली. पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूची गरज का आहे की वेन डेटा कन्सिस्ट ऑफ दी एक्स्ट्रीम व्हॅल्यू on the lower side, also the higher side in magnitude, and such value are known as the outlier. And in this situation, we cannot use the average method. You cannot use the average method, and so that we are use the partition value to explain the outlier through use of the through use of the method median, quartile, decile and the percentile. Okay, या मेथडचा वापर करून क्वार्टाईल, डेसाईल, पर्सेंटाईल या पार्टिशन व्हॅल्यूचा वापर करून आपण काय करतो, अशा स्वरूपातला संख्यात्मक डाटा जो आहे तो एक्सप्लेन करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. सो दॅट इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टॅटिस्टिक. इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ द स्टॅटिस्टिक. नाउ इन दिस वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड what is meant by quartile, calculation of quartile through the three methods. First is the individual series, second is the group data, and third is the ungrouped data. Then discuss the what is meant by the decile, and then continue the calculation of decile through the three methods: individual method, group data and ungrouped data. And then last point of this chapter is the what is meant by percentiles and calculation of percentiles through the three methods: individual data, group data and ungrouped data. Now we are going to continue the first partition value. First partition value is quartile. First partition value is quartile. क्वार्टाईल म्हणजे त्याला मराठीमध्ये चतुर्थक म्हटलं जातं. क्वार्टाईलला मराठीमध्ये काय म्हटलं जातं? चतुर्थक. क्वार्टाईल मीन्स क्वार्टर, मीन्स 1/4. क्वार्टाईल मीन्स it divided the whole set observation into a 4 equal parts. Quartile means it divided the whole set of observation. Quartile is a value of the data. Quartile are the value of data which divided the whole set of observation. Into a 4 equal part. Suppose we listen here. For example, it is the whole set of observation. This arrow show the whole set of observation. There are three quartile. Quartile number 1, quartile number 2, and quartile number 3. When data arranged in ascending and descending order. When data are arranged in ascending and descending order, they are divided the whole set of observation into a 4 equal part, and it is also known as Q1, Q2 and Q3. Quartile means it is the quartile are the value of data. Which divided the whole set of observation into a 4 equal part. There are the three quartile. First is Q1, second is Q2 and third is it is also known as the Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay. Suppose it is the whole set of observation. This it explained through this example. Suppose it is the whole set of observation and it divided into Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1, Q2 and Q3, it is the three quartile, and it divided the whole set of observation into a 4 part. It is the first part, it is second part, and it is third part, and it is the fourth part. Okay, listen carefully, student. Quartile, decile and percentile, they are the partition value because they divided the whole set of observation into a equal part. Quartile divided the whole set of observation into a 4 part. Decile divided the whole set of observation 10 part, and percentile, it is divided the whole set of observation into a 100 parts. Into a 100 parts. Now we are going to study we have discussed the most important point, quartile. Okay, quartile. Listen carefully. It is the meaning of quartile. It is the meaning of quartile. Then we discuss the another important part of quartile, calculation of quartile. Calculation of quartile. Repeat again. Repeat again. Quartile means it is the value of data which divided the whole set of observation into a 4 equal part. 4 equal part. Okay. And its value known as Q1, Q2 and Q3. Q1, Q2 and Q3. Suppose this I will show the whole set of observation Q1, Q2 and Q3. And this whole set of observation divided into a set 4 equal part. Part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Okay. Now discuss the another important point about the quartile. Calculation of quartile. Calculation of quartile. Calculation of quartile म्हणजेच काय, या ठिकाणी काय लक्षात घेता येईल, त्यालाच आपल्याला काय म्हणता येईल, चतुर्थकाचे मोजमाप. Okay, quartile, most of the quartile use to study and to explain the numerical data related to the economic aspect. Okay, म्हणजे इकॉनॉमिक्सशी संबंधित जो काही त्या ठिकाणी संख्यात्मक डाटा आहे तो एक्सप्लेन करण्यासाठी मोस्ट ऑफ दी टूल्स जे आहे, क्वार्टाईल जे आहे ते वापरले जातात. सो दॅट we have discussed the quartile in our syllabus. Okay, quartile, calculation of quartile. There are the 3 methods of calculation of quartile. First is individual data, second is group data, and third is the ungrouped data. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss the most important first method is the individual data. First method is the individual data. Individual data. When given the individual series, we have calculated through the quartile. Okay, individual data can be calculated through apply of this formula. Okay, suppose this quartile is Q. Q is equal to QI is equal to size of I into bracket n plus 1 divided 4 observation. 4 observation divided into a 4th observation. Listen carefully. Individual data use this formula. Individual data can be explained through use this formula. Okay, Qi is equal to size of I into bracket n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Divided it by 4th observation. I means 1, 2, 3 quartile. Quartile number 1, quartile number 2 and quartile number 3. I means quartile number 1, quartile number 2 and quartile number 3. And n means total number of observation. Total number of observation. Total number of observation. It is the formula of individual data series. Individual data series. Okay. Now discuss the example of individual data. Example of individual data. Quartile. Example of data. Okay. Suppose the given data calculate. Suppose the calculate Q1 and Q2 from the given data. Calculate Q1, Q2 and Q3 from the given data and apply this formula for calculation of individual data. Okay. Now discuss the most important example. Given data show the first semester examination marks of student. This data show the first semester examination marks of student. First is number 40, 85, 84, 83, 82, 69, 68. Okay, repeat again. 40, 85, 84, 83, 82, 69, 68, 65, 64, 55 and 45. Okay. These data show the semester marks of student, and through which calculate the Q1, Q2 and Q3. Through which through use of this data calculate the Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay. First of all, solution of this example. First of all, arrange these data in ascending or descending order. Ascending order means lower to higher, and descending order means higher to lower. Okay. First of all, arrange these data in a ascending order. Arrange these data in ascending order. In ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means lower to higher. Okay. In this series, lower number is 40. Then 45. Then 55. Then 64, 65, then 68, 69, then 82, 84, 82, 83, 84 and 85 and 85. In this example, total number of observation, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total number of observation is equal to this. It means n is equal to 11. Okay. And then apply this formula to calculate the Q1, Q2 and Q3. To calculate the Q1, Q2 and Q3. First of all, calculate the Q1. First of all, calculate the Q1. Formula of Q1. Q1 is equal to size of I means quartile number 1, 2, 3 means here we are calculating quartile number 1, and so that size of I means 1 is equal to number of observation plus 1 divided by 4 observation. 4 observation. It is the formula of quartile number 1. Okay. Means then apply this number of, in this example, number of observation is 11. Apply in a formula size of, what means n is 11 plus 1 divided by 4 observation. 4 observation. Okay. Now calculate the 11 plus size of 11 plus 1 12 divided 4 observation. 4 observation. Okay. Divided in 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. Okay. Means Q1 is equal to size of 4 observation. Size of 4 observation. And size of 4 observation in A series. Size of 4 observation in A series. Size of third observation. Size of third observation in this series is a 55. In this series is a 55. So therefore Q1 is equal to 55. Size of third observation is 55, and so answer of Q1 is equal to 55. Okay, it is the Q1. Okay, then continue with another Q2. Then Q1 is equal to 55. Then calculate the Q2. Q2 means change this formula only here. Q2 size of 2 into bracket 11 plus 1 divided it by 4 observation. Okay. Q1 is equal to right here. Q1 is equal to 55. It is the final answer of Q1. And then discuss it. Then calculate the Q2. Okay. Only change this formula. Only change here. Q2 is equal to size of 2. Means I means quartile. I means Q1, Q2, Q3. And now we have calculated the Q2. And so that here 2. Okay. Then size of 2 into bracket 11 plus 1 divided 4 observation divided 4 observation. Q2 is equal to size of 2 means first of 4 1 are 4 3 are 12 means 2 multiplier 3 4 observation. It means Q2 is equal to 3 2 are 6 observation. 6 observation in this series is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 means 68. Okay, 6 observation. Q2 is equal to 6 observation of series. This in this series 6 observation is 62. 6 observation is 62, and so that Q2, therefore Q2 is equal to 68. Q2 is equal to 68. Okay. Now then calculate the Q3. Then calculate the Q3. Only change the I, value of I. Only change in this formula. Only change the value of I. Q3. Now we are calculating the Q3. Okay. Q3 is equal to size of 3. Number of whole set of observation is is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 divided in 4. Divided in 4th observation. Divided in 4th observation. Okay. Calculate size of 3 into bracket 12 divided 4th observation. Now calculate 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 3. Size Q3 is equal to size of 3 multiply 3 observation. It means that Q3 is equal to size of 3 multiply 3 means 9. Size of 9 observation. Size of 9th observation. In this series, 9th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 83 is the 9th observation, and so that Q3 is equal to size of 9th observation is 83. Size of 9th observation is 83, and so that Q3 is equal to 83. Q3 is equal to 83. It is the final answer of Q3. It is the final answer of Q3. But in this example, Q1 is equal to 55. Q2 is equal to 68 and Q3 is equal to 83. It is the final calculation of Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay student, now we have already discussed the first method of calculation of quartile. It is the individual series. Through individual series, use this formula Qi is equal to size of I into bracket n plus 1 divided 4 observation. I means 1, 2, 3. 1 means 1 quartile, 2 means 2 quartile and 3 means 3 quartile. Okay. Remain parts of this point we will continue in a next lecture. Thank you.